Hello everyone, this is Brandon and welcome back to Bran'sTech. I've missed you all. I hope that everyone has been doing well and safe. So, I've been looking back at a lot of the feedback that you all have left for me. And so a lot of people had really missed my unboxing videos that I used to do like all the time. And so, I'm happy to say today, we will be unboxing the UGreen card reader. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and cut the plastic off. Wow, the plastic is kind of hard to cut. It should just kind of slide out. Now, as always with my unboxing, I always like to actually look at the box. And so it just says the company UGreen card reader, a perfect companion, and that's high speed. There's I cannot say anything today. Universality. Yeah, universality. I cannot speak today. And that's plug and play, which means you should just be able to use it on any device that you choose to do so on. Alright. So now we're presented with this box. Just open it up and kind of peel this nice little plastic. And voila. Okay, so up here you can see where it says UGreen. It has the little ports that that you can put your different readers in. You know, whether it's a SD card or a micro SD card, or the memory sticks, they all can supposedly fit in here because this is a universal port. And so you should be able to just plug this into your computer and it should be able to read it. And let me go ahead and read. Okay, so there's a little thank you note from UGreen, as well as telling you if you have any questions or need any help, that their customer service team is always there for you, and just send them a little email with your order ID, and they'll help you in any way that they can. That's always nice for me when you're truly able to see that companies are able to help you, and that their products actually work well. I think that's always been a nice thing. So I will be keeping this in a safe place. And overall, I like how nice and small and compact that this device is. And so I'll be, using this with my different computers, so at least I can read more than one SD card. Not every computer even has an SD card reader now, so this is always nice to have. And yeah, thank you all so much for joining me on today's unboxing video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to speak to you all again soon. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll talk to you all later.